Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird I have seen in every national park I've been to. The Asian Green Biæder. Also known as Lille Grøn Biæder and Green Biæder in Sri Lanka, is a near passerine bird in the Biæder family. They are called Biæder because they eat bees. As you can see in the picture, it has a black face mask and a throat band. Urban birds have a stunning electric blue face and throat. African birds have the longest tail feathers, and South Asian birds have a warm orangish crown. Juveniles are duller than adults and lack the long tail feathers. They are obsessed with perching on TV antennas, usually found between 7 to 8 a.m. and after 4 p.m. Their calls are like locally named Kola kurumini Kurulla, punchi and Haritha Binguharaya. As you can see in the picture, when Lille Grøn Biæders eat bees, it takes out the stinger by butching it into a stick. I have seen Lille Grøn Biæders in every national park I've been to. Funny thing about this bird is, it always flies on the road. When the safari jeeps come near it, it tries to fly away on the road and stop and wait. And when the jeep comes close to it again, it flies away on the road. In a little while, jeeps come back to him again. So the bird keeps on going again and again. When people do safari, they always look for big animals, but they miss all the fun happening in front of them with birds like Lille Grøn Biæders. Jackals also do the same thing. They always run on the road, so when the jeep comes close to them, they run away on the road. In a little while, the jeep catches them again. Then it runs again on the road, and again and again. It's a lot of fun.